Hi children, good morning. Take your workbook ma, all of you. Page number 35. See children here in page number 35 workbook. Okay, this is your EVS class children. Note down any two properties of your choice for each material. Already we learned, yes or no, properties of materials. Okay, first material is glass. Glass, glass. Okay children, take your pencil and start writing. First property. Capital G L A S S, glass. Write neatly in between two lines. Okay ma. Next, give little finger gap. Write down CAN, can. CAN, can. Give again little finger gap. BREAK, break. Next, EASILY, down letter, easily. Glass can break easily. Okay ma. Next, leave a line. Leave this line and write next line, means third line. Second property, write glass, GLASS, glass. IS is MADE, made. Next, OUT, out. OF of glass is made out of sand, 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 comma. After comma, give little finger gap. Next, limestone, LIME, lime, STONE, stone, limestone, and AND, and SODA, 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 soda. Glass can break easily. Second property of glass is made out of sand, limestone, and soda. Okay children. Second material is metal. Start writing children. First property of metal. Metal is hard. METAL, metal. IS is HARD, hard. Full stop. Metal is hard. Next, leave a line children, everyone. Okay. Next, write the second property of metal. In third line, second property of metal. Start writing capital WEV. Give little finger gap. Write G down letter. ET up letter. Get GET, get. METAL, metal. We get metal. Next, FROM, from. If you have space here, write here ma. If you don't have space, write in another line. THE, the. GROUND, ground. GROUND, ground. Next, metal is hard. We get metal from the ground. Okay children. Next material is wood. Next material is wood. Start writing ma wood properties. Number 1. It float on water. It F L O A T S floats. ON on WATER water. Full stop. It floats on water. Next, leave a line children. Write second property of wood. We get wood from trees. Very good. Write this one. WEV GET get. WOOD wood. We get wood. From trees. FROOM from TREES. We get wood from trees. Okay children. It floats on water means wood floats on water. Wood. We get wood from trees. Next material is leather. Next material is leather. Start writing children. First one. WEV GET get. We get. LEATHER leather. FROM from. We get leather from the the. Next line. SKIN skin of the animal. OF of the ANIMAL animal. We get leather from the skin of the animal. Okay children. Next, second property of leather. SOM is some. SHOES shoes. Some shoes. Belts BELTS belts, comma BAGS bags. BAGS bags. Next, ARER MADE made. WITH with. LEATHER leather. We get leather from the skin of the animal. Some shoes, belts, bags are made with leather. See, next material is rubber. Next material is rubber. Okay children, you know what are the properties of rubber? Yes, rubber is soft. Start writing RUBBER. Rubber. Give finger gap here. IS is. Again give finger gap. SOFT soft. Full stop. Are you following? Yes. Rubber is soft. Next, leave a line ma. Next, second property of rubber. Write down. Capital I T. IT. Give finger gap and can. Can. Give again finger gap. Write down stretch. 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 It can stretch. Rubber is soft and another property of rubber is it can stretch. See children, once again I will recall it ma. Write neatly in your workbook. Glass properties. Glass can break easily. Glass is made out of sand, limestone and soda. Next material is metal. Metal is hard. We get metal from the ground. Third material is very good. Wood. It floats on water. We get wood from trees. Next material is leather. We get leather from the skin of the animal. Next, second property of leather is some shoes, belts, bags are made with leather. Next, rubber. Rubber is soft and second property of rubber is it can stretch. Okay children, write neatly in your workbook page number 35 like this only and learn the properties of materials. Okay children, we will meet again in next class. Thank you. Take care. Bye.